All right, today's meat looks really fresh. Better arrange it nicely. The marbling on these cuts is perfect. Customers are going to love it. Hope we get a lot of customers today.
Hi, I'm looking for some nice cuts of meat.
Hi there. How about this ribeye? It's tender and juicy.
Perfect. I'll take it. Thanks.
All right, let's get this cut just right. Nice and even. The customers love a perfect slice. Let's place this on the scale. Nice, just the right weight. Now, let's add the price tag. Customers will love this perfect cut.
Thank you. Everything looks perfect.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your meal and hope to see you again soon.
I'll definitely be back. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.